Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'm diving into something super cool and totally magical, the Northern Lights, also known as the Aurora Borealis. So, what are the Northern Lights? Imagine the sky lighting up with swirling greens, pinks, purples, and reds. Sounds like something out of a fantasy movie, right? But it's real. This stunning natural light show happens in the Arctic regions, close to the North Pole. Now, let's get into the science behind it. The northern lights are caused by charged particles from the sun colliding with gases in Earth's atmosphere. When these particles hit oxygen and nitrogen, they light up the sky in a breathtaking display. You might be wondering, where can I see this? The best places are Norway, Sweden, Finland, Iceland, and Canada. These spots are close to the Arctic Circle and have long nights during winter, making them perfect for viewing the lights. Want some tips on when to go? The northern lights are most visible between late September and early April. And the best time of night? Around midnight to 2 a.m. Yup, it's a late night adventure, but totally worth it. And here's a fun fact. The name Aurora Borealis comes from the Roman goddess of dawn, Aurora, and the Greek word for north wind, Boreas. Pretty cool, right? So there you have it, your ultimate teen's guide to experiencing the Northern Lights. If you ever get the chance to see them, make sure to bundle up and bring a camera, because it's an experience you'll never forget. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more awesome content. Catch you later.